Hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. Now, before we get started, please hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more supply chain operations and, of course, our famous Workspace Wednesday tips. So let's jump right into it. This week, we're going to learn how to make a copy of a Google slide from inside Google Slides. And so there's a few different ways that you can make copies. There's links in the description down below for a few other ways to force copies or to make a copy from Google Drive. But today we're going to look specifically at Google Slides. So let's jump right in. You may be surprised to figure this out, but it's actually really simple. So inside of Google Slides, we go up to our file. You'll scroll down and see right here where it says make a copy. Now there's two options. We can make a copy of the entire presentation or selected slides. So the first one we're going to do is entire presentation. You'll see that it starts with copy of pull systems, and just for ease of use, we're going to leave it at that. We're going to save it to the same folder, but if you want to change it, you can click on it and select the appropriate folder. And then you got a few options right here. You can share it with the same people. So if you've already shared the file, the same people have access. Copy the comments that are in it, or you can remove all the speaker notes. We're going to go ahead and leave those unchecked, but if you see any that you want in your copy, go ahead and check those off. We're going to make a copy. You'll see that it's going to do a few things right here. It's making a copy of it, and then it's going to open right up to, you'll see in the top corner right here, copy of pull systems. So this is the copy of those slides. And if we jump over to our drive and refresh this real quick, then we're going to see that we have a copy right in the same folder there. And there it is. So pretty simple. We'll jump back to our slide. So this is the original one you can see in the top corner. And let's say we want to make a copy of just the first 4 slides. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one, hold down the Shift key. I'm on a Mac, and select number 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to go up here to the top, select File, make a copy of selected slides. So here we go. Here's the title. Now I'm going to label this first 4 slides. And we're going to save it in the same folder. Again, we got some options. Share it with the same people or remove speaker notes. We're going to leave it all the same. And we're going to make our copy. You'll see that it's going to make the copy. And here it is up in the top corner. We can see copy of pull systems. First 4 slides, you'll see that it's only the 4 that we selected. Now there's one other way to make a copy of slides, and that's from your Google Drive. So what we're going to do is go ahead and over here, we're going to find the 3 dots, click on it, it'll hit a drop down. We're going to make a copy, or you can use the shortcut right there, and we'll just click on copy. You'll see it's going to create a copy. Take a little bit of time. And there it is. You see it's titled copy of pull systems. And there's all the copies that we made. So that's how you make a copy of a Google Slides document. We'll see you in the next video.